there, first grade. Welcome back. I hope you had a wonderful break. I've missed you. I am sure that you have missed phonics. So here I am to give you the thing you've missed, your phonics lesson. For this lesson, you're going to need to grab a whiteboard and a marker or a piece of paper and a pencil. So I'm going to give you just a few seconds to grab those things. You can pause the video if you need to. All right, welcome back. And we are going to play a little game today, just a little review game, a little bit of I Spy. Are you ready to play? All right, so here's how the game works. I am going to give you clues to a word, and you are going to have to use your super secret detective agency skills to find the word that I'm giving you clues to. And you're going to write it down on your board when you think you know what it is. Are you ready for number one? All right, here we go. The first word I'm thinking of has 4 letters. The word I'm thinking of has a sneaky silent E at the end. The word I'm thinking of has a long O. The word I'm thinking of rhymes with Rome. All right, write down what you think it is. You can pause the video if you need to. That's right, you guys, you got it. It's the word home. Pat on the back if you wrote the word home. All right, here's your next one. I'm going to give you a few clues. I'm thinking of a word that has 5 letters. This word has something in common with the word see. This word also follows the rule of the sticky letters, or what we call trigraphs. This word rhymes with knee. All right, take a moment and write it down. See if you figured it out, because I'm going to tell you. Pause the video if you need to. The word is, did you guys find it? It's 3. Very good. All right, here's your next one. This word that I'm thinking of also has 5 letters. This word has a sneaky silent E on the end, but it doesn't follow the rule of the mysterious silent E. This word also follows the rule of the letter twins. Any ideas? You can pause the video while you write down your answer. The word is little. Very good. All right, you ready for the next one? Okay, this one's tricky. This word has 4 letters. It rhymes with the word red, but it doesn't look like the word red. We see this word a lot in books after someone says something. What do you think it is? Pause the video and write down your answer. It's the word said. Thumbs up if you wrote down the word said. All right, the next word I'm thinking of also has 4 letters. This is probably one of the first words you learned in kindergarten. It does have a double vowel in the middle, but it doesn't follow the rule of the letter twins. It rhymes with the word book. Pause the video to write down your answer. Hey, you guys know what it was? It was look. All right, last one before I give you your assignment for today. I'm thinking of a word that has 3 letters. It has a long vowel sound at the beginning of the word. The vowel is actually part of a vowel team in this word. And this word rhymes with feet. All right, write it down. What do you think it is? It's the word eat. You guys are excellent word detectives. I'm very, very impressed. Now, you're going to need your word wall today. If you are at home, you'll use this word wall. And if you're at school, you can still use this word wall. I'll have it linked up for you. Or you can use your word wall in your classroom because they should have the same words on them. But today, for a little assignment, for a little fun, you are going to play word tic-tac-toe. Now, you do not have to do all of these today. We're going to actually use this word tic-tac-toe all week. And so what I want you to try to do is do enough of these squares that you make a tic-tac-toe. And we know that tic-tac-toe goes across, it goes up and down, it goes diagonal. This is very similar in style to what Mrs. Hutchinson had you do during your Halloween writing, where you were trying to do something new each week to make a tic-tac-toe. So let me go through with you what your choices are. And I have this linked up on the independent work slide as well. And it won't let me shrink it down to show you any smaller. So I'll have to go kind of square by square. So one of your choices is write the words 3 times each. I'm assuming that you're going to choose 10 sight words for each one of these. We have lots of sight words to choose from. You're going to choose 10 for each square. So one of the choices is to take whatever 10 words you choose and write them 3 times each. Just regular old writing. Another choice would be to take 10 words, and they can be the same or different from the words that you've already chosen, and write the words with silly letters. See these silly block letters? So that's one option. You can rainbow write the words 2 times each. So take those 10 words, and I've already taught you how to rainbow write. Write them 2 times each, whatever 10 words you choose. Oh, I can't get over to my bar here. There we go. All right. One of the next squares is write the words with blue vowels and red consonants. We've not done that before. So you would choose your 10 words, and all of the vowels that you write would be blue and all the consonants would be red. This one's pretty easy. Take those 10 words you chose and write the words with all capital letters. This one, you want to write the words with dots on the letters. See how they have dots on the ends of all of them? Now, I wouldn't want to see this in your journal. I wouldn't want to see this in your writing that you do with Mrs. Hutchinson, and certainly not on your handwriting that you do with Miss Picky. I mean, Mrs. Bluette. You wouldn't want to do that. But for fun, you absolutely can do that on your snap words. So you're going to choose those 10 words and write them with dots on them. And then at the bottom, you can write the words and how much each word is worth. So each letter is worth a point. 3 letters in a word is 3 points. So you would tally up how many points each word is worth. You can write the words with an A-B color pattern. So we know what an A-B pattern is. It's one that switches back from one color to another. So green, yellow, or orange, purple, orange, purple, orange, purple. You're going to choose your 10 words and write them with an A-B color pattern. This is the trickiest one of all, I think, but also probably the best for your learning, is to write each of the 10 words that you chose and a word that rhymes with it. Now, a rhyming word might not be on your snap word chart. That's okay. But you can write a word that rhymes with one of your 10 snap words. So that'll be linked up on the slide so that you can take a look at this to remind you. We're going to actually have this as part of our phonics work all week long. So you'll have lots of time to make a tic-tac-toe. You might even get time to make 2 tic-tac-toes, or if you went really crazy, you could do a whole blackout, which means you did every single square. So that's your phonics work for today. You also have one more video to watch that's connected to the slide. It's a brain pop about contractions, which is a preview for our lesson tomorrow. All right, first grade, I'm so happy to be back with you. I hope you enjoyed your phonics lesson today, and I can't wait to see you all again. Have a great day.